are you? You are watching the channel Mustafa Khan on YouTube. So today I am telling you how to install Pokemon Go game in Pakistan. There is a big problem here because they are not launched here. So first of all, you are going to Google from any launcher. When you go to Google, then click Pokemon Go, Pokemon Go application for Android. My mobile set is Android, so I am trying this. Your iOS, so try an iOS. So you see here, this is when I click in install, they are directly connected to Google Play Store. Just waiting for that. Their network connection is very slow. Here you are seeing that this item isn't available in your country, so I couldn't install it from Google Play Store. So I remove this and I am going to this one, Pokemon, which is afkmo.com application. So when I click on that, that will be show me, they will go to their website and show me I would install that. So here you see that download application, so I click on this and I click on this. Your downloading start here, so I click here. There will be here, they are starting. Yes, well, I started already at once, so second time I wouldn't install it. I cancel that download and there it will be go. Now when the application will this is video in Pakistan. It's 3 and Telenor. So I stop that when it downloads, so install that very easily. Thank you for watching. Bye, face.